Now I will give you plan B. Sir, if I don't clear, then what, sir? You will tell lot of things, sir. But I should survive. My parents cannot afford me. I should get married. No girl will marry me without job. Girl, if I don't have job, they will ask exorbitant dowries. How this Indian society? Tell me plan B. Now plan B. First of all, for 2020 till 2024 means no plan B. First thing, till 20 you are first attempter or second attempter, for those I am telling. 2024 will be the first attempt or 2024 will be the second attempt, for those only, not for others. There is no plan B for you. But plan B, what is the plan B? If you prepare in this timetable which I gave you, UPSC, CSE, October 2024 onwards. October 2024 onwards, if you study properly, state PSC, any state PSC you can clear very easily if you prepare like this. State PSC Group 1 exam, at the worst case Group 2, don't go below it. Why? Because you are a civil service aspirant. If not this, plan B is State Public Service Commission. It can be Group 1, if not Group 2. Why? Because from salary point of view I am telling. So SPSC, State Public Service Commission. You prepared CSAT exhaustively. You are starting CSAT from July only. SSC. Plan B I am talking about. IPBS. Plan B I am talking about. Software. IT sector. If you are from very good college. Communication skills if you have IT. If not, I want to be in this particular field only. I am telling you, if you have really knowledge, UPSC industry is very big industry. You will get easily content developer job. Easily you will get content developer job. Easily. Minimum to minimum 20,000 per month they will give. You are answerable to the parents. I am doing job and I am preparing for 2025. You don't need to bother. You don't worry about me. Now whether you will go coaching. No. But this 1 year you have to prepare a lot. This 2024 should be the last attempt. Like that you have to study. You didn't got plan B. From October 1st interview, who will study? No one will study. After results, you will attend some mock interviews. You will study on your DAF, detailed application form, do some current affairs, refresh your optional subject. That's it. Plan B. Content developer. Easily 20,000 salary you will get. Good at communication skills. Strong in the subject. You can become faculty. Options are more, like SC study circle, easily they will take. ST study circle, easily in any state I am talking about. BC study circle, easily they will take. Minority study circle, easily they will take. Academies will take if you have very good skill. Junior, starting you can become junior lecturer. Assisting the senior professors like me. Faculty, you 2 years, you will only become senior faculty. For your existence I am talking, for your plan B. For permanent anyhow you have this. These are for your existence. Why? Because you want to be in the same field. So that you can give in 2025 or you can give in 2026. Don't go for call center jobs. Don't go for BPO. The culture will be very worse. You will be destroyed completely. Don't go for call centers. Don't go for this. Be in academies. Be with your field. I recommend this. Or else this. Don't go for other which you are not into the field since last years, like call center, BPO, IT also. If you want more salary, then go for IT. If you are from NIT, IIT or some very good colleges, then go for IT. Why? Because 2 days holidays are there. That is the reason. Friday and Saturday is holiday. You have to sit properly in Friday and Saturday. This should be your plan B. You have plan B, you are safe. Why you need to bother or worry? But this plan B will work when you have strong groundwork, basics, fundamentals, when you follow the schedule till September 2024. This is plan B.